Yo, welcome back, people. So I think that the only person that needs to do something right now is Bentley. So let's get him. Actually, let's first see what's on the thief net. I need more moolah. Whee! Okay. Right in the armpit. Okay, how are we gonna get up there? It's so funny how it actually goes right through the swords. Right in the shoulder. Mine. All mine. Ooh, I think that... Do I have to go all the way up there? Yeah, I do. Aw. Getting faster on this draw. Run, 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 run. Ooh. Keep hearing, like, freaking bottles everywhere, and I really want to go and, like, find them. But... not really. Ooh, before I get this mission done, I'm gonna take this back to the hideout. Let's go onward and upward.
As I expected, Rajan is out for his daily tour of the operation. My sources claim he always carries 3 blueprints on him, which, when read together, tell you everything about his spice operation.
Too bad he doesn't have that section of the clockwork heart we saw during the recon. You could just pump him full of sleep darts and we could all go home.
Unfortunately, my sleep darts aren't powerful enough to affect Rajan.
What? How are you gonna get at those blueprints?
Rajan has an insatiable appetite for Indian watermelons, which, if eaten whole, will force even him to nod off for a while. Once he's asleep, I'll creep in and lift the blueprints.
Well, that's fine and all, but how do you plan on luring him over to the
You're
watermelons?
such a creeper.
I've equipped my sleep darts with a sonic disruptor. The strange sounds they make should be enough to lead the ever-curious Rajan from place to place.
Okay, this is gonna be the fun part. How am I gonna get over there? Run and... shoot him in the face? Yeah. Take the blueprint and then run for your life. Oh my god! Okay, so... I need to knock this guy out. Oh shit, here he comes. hate it. Look at Bentley creeping in the background. Run up there. Grab it. And then run away. Holy shit. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, Monkey Man, I need you to sleep. And then you can die. Hey, Rajan, you do not need to go up there. Go over here. Rajan. How do they know I'm up here? Oh my god. How does he know I'm up here? Stop it, Rajan. Stop it. Bad, Rajan. Bad kitty. Go over there, Rajan. Okay, good. Good kitty, good. Go up here. Follow the sound of my darts. Oh my shit! Oh my shit! Run away! No! Oh my goodness, I was so close. Okay, come here, kitty. Come on, kitty. Walk over there. Follow the sounds that I make with my darts. Come on. Oh, crap. Run away. Run away, Rajan's gonna notice me. Oh my god, run away! Oh my god, please don't. Please don't. Okay, good. Oh shoot, he's gonna jump up here. Isn't he? Isn't he? Yes, he is. Rajan, go away. Go away, Rajan. Rajan, go over there. Okay, Rajan. Go right there. Rajan? Where are you going? Come on, kitty. Not again. Where are you? Come, Rajan! Focus! Don't look over here, Rajan. Please don't. Don't. No, 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 Rajan. No, 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 no. Hide over here. Hide over here. Oh shit. No, Rajan, you don't see me. I'm invisible. How am I gonna do this? Eat the watermelon, Modern. No! Damn it! Stop fighting me, Rajan, and just eat the goddamn watermelon that's right in front of you. Okay, Rajan, you ready for this? Oh my god! Hey, Rajan, where are you? Come on, back here. Thank God. I didn't think it'd take that long to freaking eat the goddamn watermelons. Take it from him. Take it. It's a candy from a baby.
What? The blueprints? They have been
Except
stolen.
evil baby.
That's the complete set of blueprints.
With teeth and fangs and
Bentley, you're really getting the hang of this.
it's just death everywhere.
I've got some bad news. Rajan has gone into hiding somewhere in the temple. I guess the destruction of his satellite array and my invasion of his personal space to get the blueprints spooked him. To get his portion of the Clockwork Heart, we'll need to drive him out into the open. Given Rajan's spice-addled temper, I'd recommend making him angry. First, we'll destroy the center of his operation, the Spice Grinder. Then we'll demolish the dam above the temple in an attempt to flood him out. If that doesn't work, I've made arrangements to exchange one of the temple's facade rubies for some high explosives, which, if necessary, we can use to flood the whole temple grotto. If my psychological profile is accurate, Rajan should pick up the other half of the Clockwork Heart before making his escape, effectively bringing it to us.
What do you mean Dimitri has ceased ordering spice?
Okie dokie. So with that, I guess we're going to get Sly and go into the, okay. Go into the spice maker generator thingy. Yes, silver pen. Okay, hey, you got shiny butt. Your butt is distracting me, girl. Shoot. I have to wait for this freaking rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Same thing, I guess? I don't know. Rhinoceros is a really nice rhinoceros. Maybe. So yeah, let's get going.